What's up, YouTube? So today I'm out here working on the motor mount. I got the old motor mount out, and this is what the old one looks like. It's ripped. It's ripped. It's dry. Y'all can see that right there. The whole boot is ripped. It has no more hydraulic fluid in it whatsoever. Not supposed to be like that. So I got a brand new one. This plate comes off the bottom and you attach it to the new one, and then the new one goes right back up there. 2 screws, 2 15mm at the top, and then there's 2 of them at the bottom when you get it off, and then there's 2 bolts that go in the bottom that holds it right there. So yeah, take your time, and eventually you can get it disconnected from the motor. I'm trying to show y'all guys. You get it disconnected from the motor right there. 2 bolts at the top, and then you bolt it down to the frame, and just lift the motor up a little with a piece of wood, 2x4. Just lift the engine up a little so you can get access to drop the old motor mount out. I'm gonna get the new one in and get these brake pads installed. I got everything back. Got the engine lowered. I got the new transmission mount in. It's sitting up quite higher. Let me see if I can turn my flash on so y'all guys can see up there. So we got the brand new engine mount back in. I got the bolts at the bottom torqued down right there. Those 2 nuts. I got the 2 15mm at the top torqued down. All right, y'all, so I got the motor mount back in. Now I'm starting on the brakes. Get these old brakes changed out for the new ones, and on both sides, and we pretty done. And then we can go back through inspection. All right, so I got the driver's side and the passenger side brakes changed out. I got the left motor mount changed out, so I'm all done. Thanks for watching the video.